Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to deliver good news and good signal, which will be good for crypto and stocks. Let's dive in. Chainlink jumps 14% as whales accumulate $160 million worth of Chainlink tokens since crash. Well, Chainlink's third quarter review highlights partnerships with Swift, DTCC, Euroclear, and a pilot with the US Department of Commerce to bring government data on chain, which sounds marvelous to be honest. I was organizing the FinTech Bitcoin blockchain conference since 2014, and in 2018, people kept asking myself, blockchain crypto, yes, good, okay, but what are they for? For what we need blockchain? Because there are so rare use cases back then, people kept asking me, and I got speechless sometimes. But right now, in 2025, right now, it's not only real world data, but stablecoins, CBDCs will be issued later on, RWAs, and IP, intellectual properties. Every single value is going to be on chain. It's just happening right now. Price can be manipulated by global elites whatsoever, whomsoever, versus real value. This doesn't go away. Just mark my word. UK Bitcoin ETPs from BlackRock orders start trading in London after FCA ends ban. Bitcoin ETPs tradable in UK right now. Not altcoins, but Bitcoin is just getting started in UK right now. I would say one of those reasons why you need to invest in altcoins should be buying more Bitcoins later at lower price. United States can change the role from gold-based world and US Treasury-based world into Bitcoin-based world, where finance works based on Bitcoin as a major collateral. Rule is being changed right now. It has not been announced yet, but I assume this will happen during Trump's administration for United States to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible and others to follow. Japan considers allowing banks to trade digital assets such as Bitcoin. The reform would enable banks to trade crypto similarly to stocks and bonds with regulations to ensure stability. If United States bets in crypto, Japan, Korea, Taiwan usually follow US later on. And then I'd say China, India to follow United States as well. Why? It's just like real world assets and stablecoins. It's not optional. Crypto is not optional, but it's a mandatory thing. Unless you do crypto, unless you do blockchain, unless you do RWA stablecoins in your country will look like a phone booth, which no one uses at all these days. Its Federal Reserve is going to host a conference on payments innovations on October 21st with Chainlink, with Paxos, Circle, and Coinbase. They are all contributors for Trump's administration, which means every value will be tokenized for sure, and those companies will benefit from those trades, those payments, and those trades, tokenization trades, RWA trades will be paid and settled in mostly dollar stablecoins. Using public chains such as Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Ripple, Ledger, etc. They will all benefit from this. Altcoin Daily pointed out that it's a Bitcoin price in 2 week price chart, and whenever it touches this line over here, touched over here, it says it's so over. It's over 5 times in 2.5 years. You had 5 times to buy the dip. Not only Bitcoin, but major altcoins as well. Mustache analyst mentioned altcoins is a friendly reminder we are facing the biggest bull run for altcoins since 2021. Convince me otherwise. He provided this chart below, crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. And this looks like double bottomed and then just broke all-time high. And the yellow spot right here, and it just exploded higher. And another, double bottom, and we are at the like springboard, and it's gonna go higher from here. Alt season hasn't arrived yet, according to Mustache, and I do agree with him. Bitcoin is the king right here, so we need to look at the Bitcoin price movement. And one of those useful indicators is NVRV Z-score, whether Bitcoin price is overvalued or undervalued. Right now, we are at 2 points out of 10. And we need to at least go to 6 and at least go to 7 because it's the previous all-time high, Bitcoin NVRV Z-score. And now we are currently at 2. At least this should be 6 or 7. And then we can argue it's over or not, but right now it's too premature to judge the market right now. Last but not least, President Trump, United States, US, and China. Now, Trump says Chinese President Xi Jinping is open to a trade deal, which sounds very reasonable. There's no there will be no collision between two countries because either one of them, if they, crashes, it's going to be fatal to both countries. Two leaders are to meet at APEC meeting on October 31st in South Korea, which sounds extremely bullish to me. This meeting means very positive to crypto and stock markets. Why? It means tension between two countries will decrease, which was the biggest factor for every single market crash and uncertainty, even gold's rally to its all-time high. It's all because of this kind of uncertainty and caused by the tension between the countries, trade war between US and China. If they meet, well, I think the tension will decrease at least. And they can compromise and they can set up the tariff rate, and it will be confirmed in Q4. It may be postponed, but it will be confirmed. And this will be significantly bullish, not only for crypto, especially for crypto and stocks as well. What do you think? Thank you for listening.